Are you interested in a career as virtual assistant? In this video, we walk you through what a virtual assistant is, how to become one, and the pros and cons of this profession. First, let's understand what a virtual assistant or VA is. A virtual assistant provides administrative, creative, or technical support to clients remotely. VAs work from their own location, offering services such as email management, scheduling, social media management, and much more. Now, let's delve into the steps to become a successful virtual assistant. Number 1. Skill assessment. Identify your skills and interest. What are you good at? What services can you offer as VA? Number 2. Training and education. Consider taking courses or gaining certification in relevant areas. This can enhance your skills and marketability. Number 3. Define your niche. Choose a niche that aligns with your skills and interest. Specializing can make you more attractive to potential clients. Number 4. Set up your workspace. Create a dedicated workspace with the necessary tools like computer, high-speed internet, and project management software. Number 5. Build an online presence. Create a professional website, LinkedIn profile, or social media accounts to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. Number 6. Join VA forums or groups. Attend webinars and network with potential clients. Building relationship is crucial. Number 7. Marketing and branding. Develop a unique brand and marketing strategy. Highlight your skills, experience, and how you can solve your clients' problems. Number 8. Client acquisition. Start applying for VA job on freelancing platforms, reaching out to potential clients, or using VA-specific job boards. Number 9. Time management. Learn to manage your time effectively. Being organized is key to success as a virtual assistant. Number 10. Deliver exceptional service. Always strive to exceed client expectations. Quality work and professionalism will lead to repeat business. Now, let's consider the pros and cons of a career as virtual assistant. It's flexible, it has variety, and you will get a work-life balance. Number 1. Flexibility. You have flexibility to set your own hours and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Number 2. Variety. Every day can bring new and exciting tasks as you work with different clients. Number 3. Work-life balance. Achieve a better work-life balance as you have more control over your schedule. Number 4. Autonomy. You are your own boss, making decisions on how to run your business. Number 5. Income potential. With experience and specialization, you can earn a competitive income. Cons. Number 1. Income instability. Income can vary, especially when starting, and there may be times of financial instability. Number 2. Self-motivation. You need self-discipline and motivation to stay on track and meet deadlines. Number 3. Client dependence. Your success depends on acquiring and retaining clients, which can be challenging. Number 4. Isolation. Working remotely can be isolating. You may miss the social aspects of an office environment. Number 5. No benefits. As a freelancer, you are responsible for your own benefits like healthcare and retirement plans. In conclusion, becoming a successful virtual assistant involves accessing your skills, setting up your business, and delivering exceptional services. While there are pros and cons to this career, with dedication and right strategy, you can thrive as virtual assistant. Good luck on your journey to become a successful VA, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.